from 2015 to 2019, kind of a dark period for the capital market. We have seen a lot of volatilities, the markets were coming down, and when that kind of a situation is there as a listed company, you might see that the IPOs and raising capital is becoming extremely difficult, and at that time period an IPO was kind of something that we were never heard of. And as a CEO of a listed company, were you concerned about this kind of situation? Does it make you a little not so comfortable?
If you look at 15 and 16, initially valuations are good. I think after that only people lost faith in the government, and then the valuation starts going down. Yes, you're right. There were hardly any IPOs in 2017. If I remember, 18 there was no IPO at all. So IPOs were very less. So I guess IPO people don't want to sell when the valuations are low. Now if you look at in 2010, when the market valuations were high, so many IPOs came. So IPOs generally go down when the valuation is low. Now with regard to how it concerns us, well, we were focused on our business and we continued our business, and like I told you, we were growing. So we were not so particularly concerned because we didn't really need to raise any capital at that time. So I think when valuations are higher, we look at equity. When the valuations are low like that, we look at debt, provided that debt also the rates are good. So it doesn't, I mean, if the things are bad, we focus on the business and keep growing. We don't worry too much about it, you know.
So how do you think things could have changed, and what kind of improvements from the market perspective, or the regulators, or the political scenario, how things could have changed to prevent such situation probably in the future?
To prevent such, I think the political authorities have their own agenda. So it is when they are, I mean, they must make sure they run show consistency and there's political stability. So I think they will be more worried about their own political stability more than the market. So if they try to create that political stability, naturally that will reflect in the market. The regulator CSC, I am not sure whether they can do anything very much, but maybe certain consistency in policy could help, like say the consistency in the tax rates and things. Those and all could prevent some level of uncertainty in the market. So I think the government policy has to be stable. If it's stable, that also at least that should be there. If there's no political stability, at least that should be there. If that is there, then the market, I think, may perform better.